This is the Skagen Falster 2, and isn't it a delicate, beautiful little thing? The original Skagen Falster was similarly delicate and attractive, but I don't think it was quite as beautiful as this. Just drink it in for a minute. I'm going to stop talking so you can see just how beautiful this is. The version you're looking at here has got this wonderful Milanese strap and with a metal clasp underneath there, so it's suitable for all wrist types. You don't have to mess around getting bands readjusted or anything like that. No one wants to do that, and it really suits the delicacy of the watch. Again, this subtle, very Skagen-like, keeping everything relaxed and keeping everything very minimalist. Just two lugs leading down to the strap itself, and that's the same across all versions. We've got a version here that comes with a brown leather strap, and again, very simple design, but one we think is incredibly attractive and also suitable for all wrists. My wrist is not massive, but it actually looks quite delicate. I'll use that word again, delicate on my wrist, but you can imagine if you've got a smaller wrist, this will fit in perfectly. There's also a rose gold version, there's different straps available, there's all sorts of different customization that you can have. So pretty much whatever your requirement for a watch is, the Skagen Falster 2 is going to fit in. The version I'm looking at here is running the new version of Wear OS from Google. So that means you've got all sorts of new notifications, you've got a slide-in Google Fit screen, and you've got Google Assistant features and cards on that side. But what we really love is that the crown on actually all Fossil's new Wear OS smartwatches is now interactive. So if we go into the Assistant screen here, a twist of the crown means you can scroll through the list, and it's glorious. We can't overstate just how much difference this is going to make to everyday use of Wear OS, and it works of course across the whole thing. Even from the lock screen here, you give it a twist and you get your notifications. It's just so much better to use than Wear OS was before. So we're going to take this off and just have a look underneath. It's quite hard to get back on with one hand, so I probably won't be putting it on again. You can see why. It's because the top is very short. On the back is a heart rate sensor. Inside is GPS, which is a feature also of the new diesel smartwatch from the Fossil group. And of course you've got a Snapdragon Wear 2100 processor inside. The screen size is just about perfect because it's 1.2 inches. We've seen that on various other watches. It works so well because it keeps the whole case so compact. It's also very thin, thinner than we've seen many other Android Wear OS smartwatches. So do we like the Falster 2? Of course we do. How could you not? It's incredibly attractive. For the true minimalist watch fan, there's really only one choice at the moment, and it is the Falster 2. We've actually got alongside here the diesel on full guard 2.5, and you can see just the difference between not only the two designs but also in the size. And this is really fascinating because Fossil brand's whole range of new Android Wear OS smartwatches, there's something for everybody. There's a genuine choice. If you want something bold and something really that makes a statement on a daily basis, then you're going to want the on full guard 2. But if you're a bit more subtle and you don't want to have everybody say, my God, what's that on your wrist? Then arguably it's going to be the Falster 2 that's going to attract, because it is so subtle yet still so incredibly classy. We're looking forward to this one coming out very, very soon. It's the Skagen Falster 2.